Penta Ocean is committed to innovating and advancing construction practices. So the adoption of robotics in construction sites will revolutionize our operations and also bring significant improvements to the industry.
Azimuth system is unique in the way that we have integrated an adaptive grinder head so that it can adapt to different wall surfaces regardless of flatness or the leveling. We have also integrated a vacuum system so that the grinded dust do not pollute the environment. We are planning to develop it to become a full autonomous solution so that it eliminates manual in the future. With this system, we hope to address the pain point in the construction industry through automation solutions and technologies, so to optimize the entire construction processes.
So this has opened our eyes to understand how robotics can be used in constructions. These insights are transformative and they help to redefine our processes. They actually help to make us more efficient and also maintain safety.
Our future plans for this solution are ambitious. We aim to develop it into a full autonomous functionality, expanding beyond its current capability and reach.
On our end, our goal is widespread adoption. We plan to implement this solution extensively in all our operations, and we want to spearhead the use of robotics for on-site construction. We want to revolutionize how we approach construction with these new advancements.
Being part of BEAMP has been transformative, opening doors into the construction industry and allowing us to integrate Azimuth's technologies into a new environment.
BEAMP has provided us with exposure to expertise in another industry. So this expands our perspective on what is possible in our own field. And this provides Penta Ocean with this opportunity to enhance productivity by incorporating new technologies that have the potential to revolutionize our industry.